Let's clean the mussels. I normally put in a bowl with some cold water, then take out the beard. If you see any shell that are open, you can just throw them away. After taking the beard off, let's rinse it once again. It's time to cut our ingredients. Crush the garlic, cut the tomato in quarter, and chop parsley, and slice your chili. Drop your linguine in the boiling water. Now for the mussels. Heat the pan, add some oil, then garlic, tomato, and chili. Saute properly until you can see the tomato is now soft. Add your mussels, thyme, cover it, shake it until everything is mixed together. Add a splash of white wine and cover it. Normally it takes 3 to 4 minutes. You will notice that the shell are slowly opening. Once they are all open, it's ready. Our pasta is ready as well. So let's add it to the mussels. Look at that. The pasta is al dente. And mix it all together. Add your chopped parsley, lots of olive oil, now it's done. Let's transfer to our bowl. So yummy. Look at that. Simple and healthy. And that's it. Look at this. Smells amazing. Let's try it. Mix your margarine and chopped garlic. Thinly slice ciabatta bread. Spread the margarine on top of your sliced bread. Okay. Then grill it until golden brown. Let's spread our ingredients. Crush the garlic. Cut the lemongrass into 4 parts. Slice your chili, roughly chop your coriander, and also slice your spring onion. Heat the pan, add oil, garlic, lemongrass, chili, and bay leaf. Saute properly. Add your mussels. Splash of white wine. Simmer. And add your coconut milk. Let it simmer again and add your coriander. Season with salt and pepper. Mix it well. And it's done. Let's put it in our serving dish. I can smell the aroma of lemongrass and coconut milk. It smells so fresh. Garnish it with spring onion, chopped coriander, and lots of olive oil again. Let's check our bread. Perfect. That's the color that we want. Put in our board. And this is my version of my mussels and coconut broth with garlic bread. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. So that's how you make mussels and puree. Very easy recipe, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Cheers!